Okay, welcome to part 2, rice preparation. First of all, let me point out, a lot of people don't know the difference between a dry measure and a liquid measure. The one on the left, right there, is a dry measure. The one on the right is a liquid measure. It has a spout. That's how you normally can tell. The dry measuring cups don't have spouts. So I would use the rice package directions and follow those to make your rice, or use a rice cooker steamer like I do. And it's going to vary, but what I use is 1 cup of rice, that's half a cup of water, and then I add half of that, so that comes out to 1 cup and 3/4 of water. The other fourth I usually add at the end. But the rice you're going to have to play around with. There's the rice, a wooden spoon, and either put it in a wooden bowl or a plastic bowl, not aluminum. And the way they do it in Japan is they use a fan, I believe, and fan it as they mix the rice to cool it off. But I just set it outside to cool it. Wait till it's like room temperature. And you might want to, you can blow on it, or if you're the only one eating it, I guess, or use a fan. However, kind of mix it every now and then, but leave it outside is the best way for a few minutes. And this is the other thing you'll need, is the sushi vinegar, which I explained earlier. So that's what you'll need for now to do. Get your rice ready, put it outside in a bowl with the wooden spoon, and turn it over a few times. Just wait till it cools to room temperature. So that's all you have to do for now. Okay, after your rice comes to room temperature, and I've already done this part, that's why I'm keeping the cap on, but mix it up, darn bee, see, and then gently, trickle some of the rice vinegar over the rice, just a little, and mix, and then do a little more, stupid bee, and then I'll do an actual one. Do it again, trickle some in there, and stir. And just keep doing that until all of the rice smells like the rice vinegar, but don't have it too wet. When you pick it up, it should still be sticky. So just keep pouring a little at a time, mixing, pour, mix, until all of it is infused and smells like the rice vinegar, but isn't too wet. And that's the rest of this rice step. Your rice is done. Cover it with damp paper towels or a damp kitchen cloth and set aside. The next thing you want to do is take your fish, whether it was previously frozen or your sashimi grade that you bought at the store, and put it on a paper towel and thoroughly blot it like that until it's really dry. Turn it over. You don't want any excess liquid. So get it thoroughly blotted. Then take it off. Put it on your cutting board. Get a good knife, just a little like a paring knife, and start slicing it up into the thinnest slices you can make. Like that. You might want to pull some of the gristle, or I don't know what you call it, cartilage off. But cut it into the thinnest slices you can. And then, I won't show the whole thing, but then go ahead and sort of mince it, or just tiny little pieces. Cut the whole thing up, and I will show you when it's done what it looks like. But just go ahead and slice this up into tiny little pieces, as small as you can get. And I'll show the finished result of that.